In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to use Instagram's Restyle feature to give your videos that viral-worthy glow-up. If you're looking for a seriously cool way to transform your short videos and make them stand out, you're in the right place. Instagram just dropped a game-changer within its Edits app, and it's called Restyle. Restyle uses powerful artificial intelligence to completely reimagine your video clips. We're talking turning your casual selfie video into a comic book scene, or your walk in the park into a trippy, animated dreamscape. It's like having a professional animator in your pocket. And the best part? It's incredibly easy and free to use. Let's dive in. Step 1. Open the Edits app and select your video. Okay, first things first, you need to have the Instagram Edits app installed on your phone. If you don't have it, just search for the Instagram Edits app in your app store and download it. We have a dedicated video that walks you through the basics. Once it's open, tap on the plus icon or the Create New Video option. Now, you'll want to select a video from your camera roll. Keep in mind, for Restyle, your video should be 10 seconds or less for the best results. The shorter, the better for faster processing and more dramatic effects. Step 2. Find and tap Restyle. Once your video is loaded into the Edits app, you'll see a bunch of editing options at the bottom of your screen. Scroll through these until you see the magical little icon that says Restyle. It might be tucked away a bit, so keep an eye out for it. Go ahead and tap on Restyle. Step 3. Choose your AI style. Now, this is where the fun begins. You'll be presented with a gallery of incredible AI-powered styles. Instagram has over 50 of these preset prompts, and they're constantly adding more. You'll see options like anime, graphic novel, vintage comic, claymation, underwater, and Ethereal Dream. Seriously, there's a style for every mood. Take your time and browse through them. Step 4. Process and preview. Once you've found a style you love, simply tap on it. The app will then start processing your video. This can take a few seconds, sometimes a bit longer depending on your video length and internet connection, so be patient. And boom! Just like that, your video is transformed. You can usually see a split screen or a toggle to compare your original video with the restyled version. Play it back and see the magic. Step 5. Refine and export your masterpiece. If you're not happy with the Restyle effect, you can always go back and try a different style, maybe add some trending audio, a cool text overlay, or trim your video even further. When your masterpiece is complete, simply hit the export button at the top right corner. Your restyled video will then be saved to your phone's camera roll, ready to be shared. Remember, since Restyle uses AI, Instagram may automatically add a small label to your video indicating that AI was used. This is great for transparency and helps differentiate between AI-generated and human-created content. The possibilities with Restyle are truly endless. It's fantastic for creators who want to quickly experiment with different visual aesthetics without needing complex software or advanced editing skills. Now, if you don't see the Restyle button yet, don't worry. It could be due to Meta's staged rollout of the Restyle update, starting with the US and over a dozen other countries. You may explore using a VPN to change to a supported country in the interim, but often, it's just a matter of waiting for it to reach your device. Make sure your Edits app is always updated to the latest version. Whether you're making Reels, TikToks, or just cool videos for your friends, Restyle can give you that unique edge. So, there you have it. A super simple way to use Instagram's powerful new Restyle feature. Have you tried it yet? What are your favorite styles? Let me know in the comments below. To explore more Instagram video tutorials, click this card. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. If you have a question or need more help, leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.